Hello guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to another video or welcome to my channel if you're new viewer. Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So guys, in today I'm going to be trying my new chai. If you're an OG viewer, even if you're a new viewer and you don't know, I have very specific method of making chai. लेकिन आजकल थोड़ा हिल डुल गया है because you know inflation right? अदरक कितना महंगा हो गया है. Oh my god. So plus like I don't have it in my house, so you know I have to buy it. So you know कौन नीचे जाएगा खरीद के लेकर आएगा यार. Like पूरा जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा. Sometimes you have to adjust. I hate tea without adrak. It's like no hell no. And elaichi का चाय तो I hate it. But hang there. So if you're a new viewer, even if you're an OG viewer, you remember like in my OG oats wala video, and you know in that was nibbles, guys. That's nibbles. I don't know how much noise compression cut it up, but his meows are so loud, so he's meowing right now. So my cats are there in the background. One is on the chair. See. So they're there in the background, so they meow. If I get distracted, people with pets have two cats. Actually, they're kittens. So I deal with two kittens. So just bear with it, please. Now I can't lock them in the room just because I have to film, right? So anyway. मैं क्या बोल रही थी because I got distracted. हाँ, in the oats videos in my blog, like you know, I mentioned and I even showed you know how I make my tea and what a chai patti I use as Red Label. So today we're going to be using a new chai patti and we're going to be doing a new method. So I already have all my ingredients ready because usually when I film, you know, sometimes I don't have all the ingredients, but today I have all the ingredients ready. Also, guys, today lights, lights ही नहीं है, and that's why I cannot even turn that light on. Like I think when I film like this, तो यही light on होता है. Yes, guys, if you're new viewer, I'm starting to give a disclaimer. Ignore this. I'm so sorry. Lights ही नहीं है, तो I can't even try to put the other lights on it. And anyway, in my make jelly with me video, I use this element. Mention me because I ignore this because all the other lights are just too. So anyway, what we're going to be using is this. See this new. This is the same day before yesterday. My dad ordered it. This is some Sangamwadi chai inspired. Hi guys, editing Castor here. I'm just making a quick correction here, and you know, I actually wanted to say that you know, as you can see, I mentioned it is Sangamwadi chai, but if you've not seen it, you know, go back and click and see. On the pack, it is clearly written it is Samvar chai, but lol, you know, I said Sangamwadi chai LMFAO. So you know, whenever in this video I'll mention the brand name, I'll say Sangamwadi, but it's actually Samvar chai. So I know, silly me. So despite this stupid thing, it's actually Samvar chai. So yeah, despite this stupid thing, enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah, and have fun. Bye bye. Competition put up, and usually I get very scared to try new things because last time my dad had bought this. Sorry, Dad. Sorry. So last time he bought this that ginger ka kuch masala. I put it in my tea, and oh my god, it was ruined. I hated it, and I had to finish the whole cup, and it was so bad. But anyway, so this I was very scared to try it, but I did, and it is so good. No. So we're going to be using this. Usual chai patti यहाँ पे है Red Label का. It's getting over, but you know we have it in the container over there. So we're not going to be using this. हमारे शक्कर पे let me keep it out. So we're going to be using this one, and we also got so nice. They got samples also. See this one, I've already opened it. Nibbles. अभी मैंने खाना दिया है तुझे. Hands down. See Nana, how quiet is she sitting there? I know you want to go out. You are not going to go out. बहुत परेशान करता है बाहर जाने के लिए. And also, guys, he's in his prime, if you know what I mean. So that's why we are trying our best to get him, you know. But I mean, guys, neutered. We're trying to get him neutered, but हो नहीं रहा है for some reason. But we're trying our best. Soon we will, because he's already 6 months old, and Nala, she's just hardly 1 month old. So he's really irritating. Nibbles. Yeah, I told you distractions. Oh wow, the light that I was using went. I was using a light here and it चले गया. Wait, let me see. See that? My light also died now. Wait, let me see if I can put it like this. नहीं यार, वो different settings है इस light को, so I have to like turn it and everything. But the one that I use is gone now. Let it be now, you guys. I mean, क्या ही करें ना, ऐसा ही ये work करना पड़ेगा. Anyway, so now I have to charge that. So now there is no charging, so we have to go and charge it. And lights भी नहीं है, and we cannot like use all because सब inverter पे चल रहा है. So anyways, I'll leave that. So this is the one that we have first. This is lemongrass. Then this is ginger, which I don't even think I'll dare use ginger powder. And then this is chai masala. So we got this, and I have used lemongrass already, and it is so amazing. And today also I will use the lemongrass. मैं देखो कि ये है क्या? Ginger है क्या? ये देखो, अदरक है. इतने सारे अदरक है, guys. Can you see here? In this डब्बा यहाँ पे अदरक है. Wow, I think my mom bought adrak for me. Amma. Samidad, Moyo, thank you so much. I didn't even know. She didn't tell me also. Maybe she told me she put adrak. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. लेकिन hey guys, तो मैं आज अदरक यूज करूँगी. I will use my. I'm so happy. मेरा अदरक है. Thank you Lord, thank you Jesus. I'm so happy. So we are going to be doing my OG chai recipe, you guys. And don't anybody try to steal my recipe. That is my recipe. I have full claim over the recipe. I'm just kidding. You can try it out and you can tell me how you like it. What is it? Can you hush down? That's it. Anyway. So now guys, let's actually start to getting, like making the chai and then we will see forward. Then we'll move forward. So that's getting really late. I woke up really late today, guys. So what late ho raha hai? So anyway, let's make the chai. Let's start making the chai. Okay, so let's start making the chai. So last time I used different milk. In my blog and everything also, I used milk which came in a glass bottle, but that was cow ka milk. And I basically started using bhais ka doodh, that is buffalo ka uriu. So I started using, and we use chitale. Oh! Holy shit, you guys! I just realized वो पूरा ही गिर गया. Embarrassing. अभी ये साफ करना पड़ेगा. And let's clean this up. So what I want to say is, we use chitale, and I started using this buffalo full cream milk. यार guys, ये क्या है यार? हद हो गई यार guys. I just embarrassed myself. But it's okay if I don't embarrass myself in front of you guys, my CCN family. Like and subscribe, become part of my family, follow me on Instagram. Then who will I embarrass myself in front of? My family. I already embarrass myself every day in front of my family and friends. So let's go. So it's all clean. Luckily, ज़्यादा mess नहीं हुआ. Also, we got a new gas stove. This is a new gas stove, guys. We got a new gas stove, Jyotika. This is the खटखट वाला. Usually in the previous ones, if you go and watch, you know that we had the automatic one. But now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stove one. वो previous वाला अलग था. I wish I could show you, but now अभी कैसे दिखा? But it's a new one. And also we got a new lighter. ये देखो guys, ये electric lighter है. And ये देखो ऐसा चलता है. ये देखो, see this? This means it's on. You press this. ये जो spark आता है, and then you just boom. So we got this new electric lighter also. So this is not an automatic or semi-automatic gas. So we always either have to have a lighter with us or matches with us. So we matches भी रखा है. So let's just go with this. I'm going to start by pouring in my milk. I think by the time I finish this, guys, 12 तो बजने वाले, because I think it is already 11:15 or something, and I'm filming now, and तो ज़्यादा time लगेगा to make my chai. Okay, so my milk is in here. We are going to pour it in my chai ka bartan. I think that light is on, so let's use it. Oh, guys, मैं भूल ही गई. अरे ये हो क्यों रहा है? The main gas switch is only off from here. We have to turn this switch. Hang on. Main off ही था वहाँ से. I'm wondering क्या ये हो क्यों रहा है? So let's go with the lighter. I'm gonna switch it on. Fire bad. Do you know Frankenstein from Hotel Transylvania? Fire bad. Oh, must garam है. So now we have my milk there. You guys want to see? See, let me show you. See, my milk is there, and see the fire bad is down there, and see this is, I can show you like this also kind of see. This is the new stove. See, ये नया stove है. I'm not showing you much, but ऐसा ही है. So yeah. Oh, heat is on my face now. The angle must have changed, you guys, but I don't know. कैसे था previously? I think ऐसे चला था. So what? Guys, look at that. I wish I could zoom right now, but I cannot zoom in. But look at that, guys. They are playing. Nibbles and Nala. He's pushing her. Right? Yeah. Just keep fun with that. Nala, my new kitchen. You okay, Mama? Kitchen for what? Oh, Nibble, don't push up. God, guys, my mom of 2, and both are toddlers right now. In human age, but they will be. Yeah, that's a toddler to me. I'm not sure compare them to the human age, but shush. So now usually I would grate my adrak, but every time I do that, I lose my nails. My nails have to get sacrificed. So I've stopped doing that. I know by grating, वो essence ज़्यादा आता है, जाता है, लेकिन I'm going to just घोटify it. So I'm just gonna do this and that. And then we are going to घोटify my adrak in this. See, you saw ना, मैंने डाल दिया है. We gotta do that. ऐसा ना अगर you want it more, then you have to make it full space. I think that should be enough in there. Let it. Can you just see it? My spoon. So here's what I do. I know since it's already full cream milk, you know, buffalo calf, I put butter. What?
What the fuck?
Yes, I put butter in it, guys. I mean, already this is full cream milk, so वो बहुत heavy होता है, but I like it, and luckily I don't get any weight. So flex. So just have a fun. So I put butter, लेकिन कभी कभी मैं घी भी डालती हूँ, लेकिन अभी घी नहीं है, देसी घी, लेकिन अभी घी नहीं है, guys. So I will just put butter in it. Let me check my nibble. He's sitting quietly over there. That's why, and he's quiet. You know, guys, like pet parents, can you relate? Or you know, people who foster animals, if there is too much silence, then you know something is wrong. बैठ है वो शांति से वहाँ पे. So I'm gonna put butter in this. You know, so this is my butter chai. Just like I have my butter coffee. कभी-कभी, you know, I put butter in my coffee or chai. And butter coffee is very popular for that keto diet. लेकिन मैं कोई keto diet नहीं करती हूँ. मैं तो ऐसे ही करती हूँ. मुझे पसंद है. So that's why I put it in there. Sometimes, so with this full buffalo milk now, for my coffee or my tea, I don't even Hey, nice game! Woo! Nice game! Oh, there we go, you guys. So much better. Wow. Hey, wait a minute. Remember my jelly baby video? मैंने लाइट लगाया क्यों नहीं? I don't know. तभी भी लाइट गया था क्या? Wait. Guys, ये इन्वर्टर पे. Oh my god, guys. See, this proves to you how messed up my brain is. I'm actually going through things right now, you know. Like Cardi B said, you know, I'm losing my medulla. You know.
Woo! I'm going through it, bitch. I'm losing my motherfucking medulla.
My gosh, guys, ये इन्वर्टर पे. And it will put it on. This is not an inverter. I mean, ये इन्वर्टर पे नहीं है, ये लाइट and वो लाइट. लेकिन ये तो इन्वर्टर पे था. मुझे लगा है कि मैं यार seriously, has it to Cardi B? I'm losing my medulla. I mean, I can say it, but then only sometimes you gotta hold back, guys, because you know. तो मैं क्या बोल रही थी was हाँ, जो डाइट. मैं कोई कीटो डाइट नहीं करती, मुझे पसंद है. That's why I do that. And also sometimes I don't add water. Oh my god, these people. Hey! Shut down. Oh my god. वहाँ का लाइट चालू रह गया था, guys. Oh my god, can you go this shush? So I don't use any water. Sometimes I just use full. I mean, मैं पानी नहीं डालती हूँ. I just use full, you know, milk. लेकिन for now, since I, you know, fortify this in jar, so that the remaining doesn't go to waste, I'm going to put water in this. Water is there in that, okay? Oh. ये तो रह ही गया एक सेकंड में. I had to put more because I forgot to mix this and that, and इधर भी ginger था, तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ये बन जाएगा. But it's okay, sometimes वो evaporate हो जाता है, या you know, my house apple का ना बच गया तो मैं दे दूँगी. I will give it to her. She loves my tea. Every time she praises my tea. She adores my tea. Adores my tea, and you know, whatever. Oh, ये मलाई जम रहा है यहाँ पे. So now usually I would put my red label chai. ये लेकिन I'm going to use this chai. Chai का ये. I don't know what is happening with me, guys. See, I'm not drinking tea yet. Now what is time? बज गए 12. 12 minute बचे. 12 minute? Oh. It's quarter to 12, you guys. I've lost my mind. सुबह से, you know, I've not had any chai, and it's already quarter to 12. So I've lost my phone here, yeah, guys. So let's go with this. I usually put 5 spoons of tea leaves and sugar. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ziploc कैसे करना पड़ेगा? Clean. I know what I'm doing. Nobody. I'm not filthy. Filled with disgusting things and everything. And then sugar. I usually, since I'm doing my old dish now, when I was not using adrak for 2 days, I was putting this masala first. Lekin I forgot, so now I put it last. But ठीक है वो उबलेगा ना. 3, 4, and 5, and 6. दूध रखना भूल गए. Let's use our lemongrass. Usually, I would not dare experiment with all this, लेकिन करना पड़ रहा है. Okay, we're gonna put lemongrass. Not much. थोड़ा ही डालेंगे हम, but it will overpower everything. And I think this much should be fine. ये देखो guys, this much. I don't want to use too much because I don't want it overpowering. I just want it, in the background, like the taste in the background, and it's sticking to me. Ew, gross. Free fight. Thank you so much to Sangamwadi, whatever, for giving us a free fight. Ha, क्या चाय दिख रहा है guys. Wow, so good. My chai is looking amazing, you guys. इससे पानी डल सकता है because it is becoming very gaढ़ा, but I like gaढ़ा chai, so I'm not going to put any more water in this. Plus अगर मैंने अभी पानी डाल दिया तो quantity और बढ़ जाएगा. So I'm going to just leave it this way. थोड़ा उबलने दो. We will keep this till then. Guys, perfect यार. Usually मुझे 12 बजे के बाद चाय पीना पसंद नहीं है because when that peak sun hits ना, it's like what the hell. So it's obviously raining. It's like August now. When I'm filming this now, it is, I think it is 13th August, Thursday, 26. So अभी तक बारिश का मौसम चल रहा है here in India. So I mean in Maharashtra, Pune. I mean India में तो I don't know if it is raining in Maharashtra, but so it is still rainy का मौसम is there. So I will not mind because that धूप नहीं आएगा ना, तो I can trick my brain saying कि अभी तो 9 ही बज गए, अभी तो 10 ही बज गए, तो I can drink my chai. ये सुबह का चाय है. Lol, you guys, I know. Okay, so I think our chai is ready. Because if I let it ublify more ना, वो over ये हो जाएगा, that we don't want. Hey, what about lemongrass? ये इधर ही रह गया, ये इधर को inside. ठीक है, let me just stir, and then our chai will be ready. And then I will taste and tell you guys how it is, okay? Okay, guys. Alright, now I'm going to pour my chai. I mean, we are going to go to the next part of this is the main, where I'm going to pour my chai. Steam, dekho guys. Pour my chai and then we'll move on to the taste testing part. So let's go. Okay, so let's go. I have the here. Oh, अच्छा पानी गिर रहा है. उसे क्या गिर रहा है वहाँ से? पानी. So I have this what is this called? Strainer नहीं बोलते ना इसको, strainer. So now here's my chai. I mean मैं कैसे दिखाऊँ यार कि I'm pouring my chai inside. Hey यार guys, I'm pouring my chai inside. ये भरोसा रखो मुझ पे. See my tea is there inside there. Can you see that? थोड़ा दिख रहा है क्या चाय है उसके अंदर? So let's go. Oh wow guys, देखो. Perfect 1 cup chai बन गया for me. And sometimes I like fill it. I drink chai like to the brim, like पूरा 1 cup में पीती हूँ. Like chai, like even with coffee, पूरा 1 cup to the brim it fills. Let me just put all this chai and everything over here. So we can remove it later. Take the spoon. Woo. Let's go. पूरा दूध गिर गया है यहाँ पे, you guys. So this is a bit wet यार, लेकिन ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So yeah, let me better. There, this is better. So let's go with the taste test of the chai. See, दिख रहा है वो चाय है इसके अंदर. So let's go taste test. Cheers! Or clink clink, like in this with me. Lol. Margarita that was never clink clink when I do that tea party with Guru. So clink clink, clink clink. So let's go, you guys. क्या कड़क चाय का खुशबू. Let's go. Nala's staring. Look at how she's staring over there. Look at that. She's looking towards the camera, towards me. She's looking at me like, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, mom? But guys, this is mind. My God. Wow. क्या timing है? And वो अदरक जो था ना, thank you mom for bringing me the अदरक. जो अदरक था ना, I mean, thank you mom. I said like, yeah, she's going to be coming home, you know, after work, like in the evening. तो मैं तभी ही बोल दूँगी. Like, thank you mom. So that अदरक ना, wow. I mean, even for these 2 days without the अदरक, taste बहुत अच्छा रहा था. लेकिन this अदरक ने ना वो ये add कर दिया, oomph add कर दिया है. एक और sip, you guys, just one more sip. Wow, perfect. This is perfect chai for, you know, the weather. You guys, this hair. मेरा ही बाल है लेकिन गिर रहा है वो मेरे ऊपर, it's sitting me. This is perfect chai for this weather, you guys. Also, I bought this bag because I don't think I showed you guys the bag properly. ये देखो guys, इसका bag ना ऐसा दिखता है. If you want to order it, you can. But my dad told me that, you know, this turned out to be sometimes suspicious. So anyway, I'm gonna leave that. But anyway, so this chai patti gets a 10 out of 10 for me. ये क्या बाल मेरे को परेशान कर रहा है यार. This spice lemongrass something gets a 10 out of 10 for me. This chai gets a 100 out of 10 for me. So anyway, you guys, that's, oh my God, this hair. I found it. This was the hair that was troubling me. Can you see the strand of the hair? ये मेरे को परेशान करके रखा था. आई मेरी गुड़िया कैसी सो रही है, मेरी गुड़िया. हाय. ये भी सुनाई दे. ओह, ये तो स्लीपिंग मेरा बच्चा. हाँ, कट गया दोनों बार से मेरे बच्चे के लिए. Anyway. So now I'm gonna go enjoy my chai and I'm gonna, you know, go for the rest of my day. मेरे को बहुत काम है. And thank you guys so much for joining me and watching this video. Go watch my vlogs, you know, my other videos, you know, my OG breakfast video where I make my chai and everything. And also guys, in that videos my layout was different over here. लेकिन मैंने ये बदल दिया. मैं layout ये magnet यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे आ गया for, you know, ये. So if you both see my different one, it was like it was in a stack or layout अलग था, but now it's different. I wish I could show you, but anyway. So I just want to mention that. So yeah, anyway guys, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Go watch my other videos and even might make Jelly with me video to see, you know, कि मैंने real light on क्यों नहीं किया था तभी भी, I don't know. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, morning, night, evening, dawn, whatever you're having, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.